Hey Pratham, what are you doing, man? What is this?
Varun, I'm busy right now.
What are you busy with? And what is this we ideate, you validate?
Now when you have completely distracted me, let me tell you what is Ideate You Validate. Ideate You Validate is a 72-hour international online competition organized by GHRCEM College of Engineering and Management, Pune.
What is this competition about?
This competition is basically an idea validation contest where you will be given ideas from specified domains by industry experts or idea sponsors, and you will have to validate them on basis of parameters from idea validation metrics
That's interesting, but what domain?
such as cloud computing, EV, AI and ML, and several more domains.
With what parameters are we supposed to validate the idea?
Parameters such as probability, feasibility, cost effectiveness, and several other parameters.
They will just provide us with the ideas and we'll have to validate them?
Yes. It is just that the ship is ready. Just you have to sail the ship across the ocean and just have to tell the good points and bad points of the ship. That is it.
What is the criteria for participation?
Any undergraduate student, postgraduate student, diploma student is eligible for this competition.
Amazing, but what about rewards?
They will be providing us several cash prizes along with e-certifications for all the participants.
Does it require a team or an individual can apply?
Yes, indeed, an individual can apply. But if you wish to be in a team, the maximum capacity of team is 4 members.
Pratham, why didn't you tell me about this before? Are the registrations still open?
Yes, the registrations are still open, but you need to hurry up.